gagawa tayo ng adobo. Pero kakaibang klaseng adobo, walang sarsa. It's called Adobo Bisaya, and it's cooked very differently from the way we know adobo. Yan. So ito, chunks of pork. Diba? Ang lalaki, no? Pero ganito, masarap. Yan. It's a bit lean, but it's going to be so delicious. So, very simple. Meron tayong asin. Always asin. No? Pamintang buo. And meron tayong suka. So, we're adding our vinegar. You can use a little bit of turmeric. Kundi, pwede din anato or atsuete. You can use anato, you can use turmeric, or pwede ding wala. But this one will make a very beautiful color. Yan. Mix-mix lang. Hugas lang tayo ng kamoy after. With the suka and all that. On na natin yung ating stove. Ganyan lang kasimple. I'm adding oil. Dahon ng laurel. And lalagyan na natin ng konting magic para malinamnam. Mix all of that together. And we will let that cook for around 30 to 45 minutes. Pag kumulo yan, papahinaan na natin yung ating apoy. And yung garlic natin, ganyan lang, napakasimple lang. Mash the skins, no? And we are cooking with our very beautiful Masflex Artisan Cast Iron Pot. And now, eto, kumulo na yung aking adobo sa loob. Bubuksan ko. At hahayaan ko lang siyang kumulo. Ang gusto nating gawin dito is that yung ating liquid, di ba may suka tayo and konting tubig, will evaporate. Ang matitira, yung oil na lang. And little by little, mapiprito na yung ating pork in fat. So, ito na siya. Little by little, naaadobo na yung ating baboy. Pero, that is not it. We are waiting hanggang mawawala na talaga entirely yung kanyang liquid. At hindi na siya kumukulo. Nagpa-fry na siya. And later on, we will add the garlic. And it's going to be so mabango, so aromatic, so garlicky. Ito na yung exciting part. Look, no? Hindi na siya kumukulo sa water. Now, it's beginning to fry. Ito nakikita natin, oil na siya, nagiging clear na siya. And slowly, our adobo is going to fry in our fat. Yan, no? Yan, ano? So, medyo malambot na yung ating pork. Malasa na siya. It absorbed a lot of the suka and the salt. And we will add our garlic in a little while. Now, ito na yung confit, no? Letting it cook in fat. It's boiling, it's simmering. Hindi siya deep fried na mainit. Hindi siya ganun. Slowly cooking sa kumukulong mantika. Sumasarap na tong ating adobo. Pwede na tong kainin. Beautiful color. And this is the time I will add all my garlic. Yan, oh. Oh. Amoy nyo. Very garlicky, oh. And ito, pwede din natin to later on i-deep fry a second time. And it's going to be crisp and delicious. And ito siya with suka na sausawan. Ay, ma-in-love ka dito sa Adobo Bisaya. Di ba kayo matatakam dito? Ang ganda ng kulay, di ba? Look, golden, crisp, mabango, and of course, ang daling gawin, this is the perfect adobo. It's a cross between lechon kawali and adobo. Ang sarap nito. And plate na tayo. Tan-tan-tan. Pati yung garlic is crispy. Ito, masarap na sausawan, suka-suka. And this is our Adobo Bisaya. Crisp on the outside, medyo juicy in the inside. Mainit pa. Kaya while waiting for it to cool down, please subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. And also check out the Simple.ph website for more delicious stories beyond food. Ito. And it is ready. Mga Bisaya diha, comment down below if we did our Adobo Bisaya correctly. Slice lang tayo ng konti. Mainit-init pa. Woo! Look at that, no? Juicy. And sausaw sa suka. Alam mo yung kaidong? Try this recipe. I'm sure you'll be a convert of adobo Bisaya. Alternate mo sa favorite adobo mo. Then once in a while, adobong Bisaya. And it will make you happy for life.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.